Hi, do you ever feel like your child is zooming around too much around the house? What if I told you I can teach you some tricks which will not only make your child help you around the house, but he will learn something from it? In Montessori method, practical life exercises are a very important part of the teaching methodology. The child can be taught how to do everyday activities which will not only help them to become independent but will help them in the long term in their learning journey. Montessori method teaches us few things which can help you throughout your life, like taking care of yourself, taking care of your surroundings, taking care of your motor development, that is having control over your body, and also being gracious and courteous. Let's start with a small exercise which you can help your child to do at home. For example, you might need 2 jugs for it, or even a jug and a glass. Ask your child to pour water into the other jar or the glass. Don't worry, moms, because they will make a little bit of mess out of it. Just take a cloth and damp away the extra water around them. But when they complete the job, a child will feel confident. He will have a sense of accomplishment. At the same time, he would learn how to use his muscles properly with hand-eye coordination. Another thing that parents often rush to do for their child is button up their shirts. This is also something you can teach your child. Take a button-up shirt and put it in front of the child. Ask the child to open the buttons one by one from the loop. Now, ask them to put the loops right on top of the buttons so that they know which loop should have which button in it. Now let them put one button in each loop. They will take a lot of time, they will make mistakes. You have to be patient and let them do it so that they can feel they have achieved something from this. They will learn how to dress up themselves and feel so much more confident in taking care of themselves. Another thing that you can teach your child is how to clean up the table. This is something every child thinks is very exciting because only their parents do it. So give them a cloth and ask them to clean up the table. Slowly, they can use the cloth and move it in one direction. Say, in the same direction they will learn to read or write. So not only will they be able to help you clean up, they will learn the directions through it. And in this process, you might end up with a table which is a little bit more clean. Another very important thing that you can teach your child is to be gracious and courteous. For example, saying excuse me or please and thank yous at the right time. You can do that by doing the activity yourself. Whenever you ask something of your child, say please. When they give them to you, say thank you. Because children always learn things which their parents do. They reflect anything that they see their parents do. And moms, here is something that I found incredibly helpful. Why don't you check out a Montessori program? Because a Montessori pedagogy will help you to guide your child better and not just manage them. The Montessori pedagogy will teach you to make your child a confident and an independent child. So why don't you check out Athenium Global, an online teacher training program which is flexible and you can do it at your place on your own time.